Isang Eucharistic Vigil ang isinagawa sa Cebu para sa tuluyang paggaling ni Pope Francis. Ang ilan nating mga kababayan doon, sinariwa naman ang mga alaala ng kanilang close encounters sa Santo Papa. Si Jessie Atienza sa sentro ng balita.
Masigla at nakakatayo pa habang isa-isang nilapitan at kinausap ni Pope Francis ang mga tao. Yan ang kuha ng cellphone video ng charismatic community leader na si Fe. Pero wala nang hihigit pa sa kanyang larawan kasama si Pope Francis. Nakadisplay pa sa opisina ni Fe ang mga larawan kasama si Pope Francis. Hindi niya malilimutan ang pambihirang pagkakataon na makausap si Lolo Kiko. Hindi lang isa, kundi 2 beses. Una, noong taong 2017 nang ipinakilala si Fe ng kanyang kaibigang pari sa Santo Papa.
He introduced me to the Pope and telling the Pope that my advocacy is about drug addiction. And the Pope said, yes, I've heard about the war on drugs in the Philippines. And the Pope said, I can remember how Monsignor Jan Limchua interpreted to me. The Pope said, that is very important. So that word is very striking to me. And to me it was an affirmation that what I'm doing is really something that the Lord is pleased. So until now, I continue doing it, helping people who wanted to recover from drugs through faith-based.
Ayon kay Fe, espesyal ang mga sandali na nakasalamuhan niya ang Santo Papa.
The encounter was very special that I forgot all about what I was carrying. I was caught in awe. Parang nasa langit ako, parang I was floating in the clouds ba. I was meeting somebody that I cannot really understand what I was feeling at that moment. It's really very heavenly yung feeling ko noon.
Bilang National Coordinator ng Charis Philippines o Charismatic Renewal International Service na binuo ni Pope Francis, malaki ang naging impluwensya ng Santo Papa sa makabagong panahon, lalo na sa mga Pilipino.
The visit of Pope Francis in Tacloban was very significant to me. It's like God visiting us at the time of calamity, at the time of crisis, when people are dying, when people are suffering. And He took time to come to the Philippines, no? So, whatever happens to the Pope, I would really treasure his life, being our Pope, to the life of us Filipinos.
Isang Eucharistic Vigil para sa pagaling ni Pope Francis ang inalay ng Archdiocese of Cebu sa pangunguna ni Archbishop Jose Palma. Kasalukuyang sumasailalim sa treatment laban sa bilateral pneumonia ang Santo Papa. Sa pinakahuling medical bulletin ng Vatican, stable si Pope Francis. Hindi na rin siya nakaranas ng respiratory crisis. Nakakaupo na rin siya sa kanyang armchair at nakakausap pa ang parish priest ng Gaza. Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.